But the main ingredient is cactus. What yo people, welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. That is Ringo Vision. You know the tingo. Anytime you see M.R. and Ringo Vision, then you know say something's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? Yes people, so welcome to the show. Hope everyone's alright, hope everyone's blessed. Welcome to season 8. Today I am cooking. But there's a few, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna show you, look, I've got a bit of scallion, I've got a bit of chocho there, I've got a bit of pepper, I've got a bit of scotch bonnet, but the main ingredient is cactus. What yo people? You done know say man's cooking cactus today. Yeah, safari style. We're going out there today, you get me? Not only craziness with the meats, we can get crazy and we can get creative with the vegetables as well. Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, today we are cooking cactus people. Yeah, so you done know say it's a well excited thing today. You get me? Big up the host for having us in the kitchen today. Respect my brother. You done know family, big up yourself, big up Ringo Vision every time. Make sure you go over to his channel and subscribe if you haven't. Bare things going on there. Wally per jerk chicken, about 300 kg or something like that. Go and check it out. Anyway, so yeah, we're cooking cactus. It sounds a bit mad.
Me have to come up close now.
Yeah.
Go and say for me,
A
please.
serious thing
Yeah,
we
me
are
a
doing.
question you know him that.
Yeah.
How can I sit in this side, David?
This is a different thing, and as it.
No desert, no there, no sir.
This is what I'm saying. Listen, alright, so basically, before we get into the craziness, let's get sensible for just a minute. So basically, this is called, this type of cactus is called
Cinco Bible.
I've been trying to learn this. So basically, the name of it is tuna, right? But in Jamaica, they call it Cinco Bible. Now, the funny thing is...
What kind of Bible?
Cinco Bible.
Oh.
Yeah, he's checking, because I didn't know the exact... Didn't know if it was Single Bible, Cinco Bible, Cinco Bible. I weren't too sure. You know when man say in Jamaica, it's fast. Yeah, it's a Single Bible. I'm like, I'm not sure. I had to check with Ringo. What's it called, Ringo?
The Cinco Bible, man.
What yoy? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is a type of it's type of like an aloe vera inside. So this is good for like your
What does
hair.
it taste like?
We're gonna find out.
Because you know aloe vera is bitter. So are we having a bit of stew today? Is it a bit
We're
of
gonna
stew?
try it. But
Alright.
again, you can use this in your hair, you can use it on your skin, you can use it in bare things. It's really, really good for you. You get me? And it's definitely edible. Do you know what I'm saying? So
Yeah, man, I think kick it off, man. We could see what I go on.
Kick it off
Me
today.
there no people. Yeah, man,
Yeah.
a good vibes.
Oh, yo.
Yeah, man, outside.
people, don't forget to press the like button, get that algorithm going. Don't forget to share, otherwise it's just unfair. And don't forget to subscribe, otherwise your fingernails are gonna go rusty. All right. So here we are going, Ringo. So what we're doing, we've got to scrape off the little spiky bits. Do you know what I mean? What we can do is like, we can chop it, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it. So if I just put that to the side a minute and then we have a go. Like I say, I think the best thing to do, because it's quite thin, is I think the best thing
So
to
what?
do.
I asked you a question. What we're gonna do? We're gonna fry it.
We're gonna fry it like a kind of stir fry.
So I feel say if we're gonna fry it,
Yeah.
we need to peel it.
I feel so.
Alright, so let me show you where I'm going.
All right.
Yeah.
This is what we're gonna do, people. We're gonna peel it to a degree. All right, you see it there? Cactus. Oh, perfectly edible, people. We're not on no crazy thing here. It's been tested, it's been checked, don't worry. Health and safety. No anything there. A little bit difficult.
Yeah, man, a good vibes end up, man. I like this car. Right now, I can't wait to see what this one here tastes like still, you know.
I'm gonna be honest
Yeah,
with you.
man, a good vibes, man.
You see the smell?
Yeah.
It's giving off aloe vera vibes.
Hold on there. I want to smell it.
Yeah, smell it.
Rotted.
Yeah, it's giving off aloe vera vibes for real. But
Yeah.
we shall continue.
But because this one seems like a young tuna, yeah, I feel like it won't have. It's different. It will have that mildness, but I feel like say it now got so bitter.
I hope not. I hope not. I kind of specifically picked this piece of cactus, we're going to call it, for this. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, people, as you can see, they're gone. It's a little bit difficult to peel. A 5-star chef, he's taken over the peeling here, people.
Yeah, man, a good vibe.
Yeah, so this is how we're getting it, people. So basically, most of the skin's off with just a little bit there. We don't want to make it too thin. You get me? So it's not actually a joke thing. I know it kind of looks, it might seem like a funny, but man, them cooking cactus. Nah, man, serious thing in the Ringo. A stir-fried tuna. Stir-fried Cinco Bible. Mm-hmm. Yes! Watch it. Cactus, people. Why, yo? Oh, yeah, we getting on over here, Ringo. Yeah.
Man, good vibes, man.
All right, so Ringo done nearly peel off the cactus. So I'm gonna show you what I'll go on next.
Yes, M. Dot. So tell the people them what's happening now, because we've just finished peeling the tuna and whatnot, yeah? So let them know what you're gonna do right now.
So now,
yeah,
I'm slicing that, if you can see now.
So M. Dot, are you gonna coat it with anything, or are you gonna season it or anything like that? Cause remember,
yeah,
that's like our form of substance, the main substance.
So basically what it's gonna
that we're gonna consume, so you have to flavour it.
We have to flavour it, so we're gonna put Scotch bonnet in, we're gonna put some thyme, we're gonna put some pepper, so there's some other vegetables going around, like chunkier vegetables with it. We might put a little piece of yam in there, not too sure. We've got a piece of chocho there, a little bit of garlic, you get me? And then we're gonna put some actual dry seasonings in as well, you get me? But the main thing is the cactus. You know what I'm saying? So it's just thinly slicing it like this. So that's how we're gonna deal with it. I don't want them too big. You understand? Yeah, man, a cactus we're dealing with today in a Ringo, different thing, you know. Oh, my thing, man. Do you know how many times a day YouTubers ask people to subscribe to their channel? So just do it, and I'll just stop asking.
Yeah, I cut up what are the vegetable them then?
Yeah, so
yeah, man, are good vibes.
Yeah, man, so a scallion,
peppers, thyme,
bit cactus, a little bit of cactus. Had it lying around, so I thought I'll just cook a bit of cactus. You know what I'm saying? Regular Tuesday night and that. You know what I mean?
Strong aroma coming out of it.
We take the
kicking. Season that.
We have to season it. Do you know what I'm thinking? And just randomly, because I'm just looking there and there's a random piece of lemon there. I might actually dash a bit of lemon in there just to try and, because you know,
I feel like that's towards the end when you get the flavour on point.
Yeah. So you see it there, our seasonings are gone. Do you know what? Add a bit of...
You gonna put any chocho in there?
Yeah, I am, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, because we're doing it, we're pushing the boat today.
How good vibes. How good vibes. So end up just cutting up the peppers, everybody. So yeah, man, people, if you ain't already done that already, people, yeah, just subscribe, yeah, because that's what I do. We just at work, and you just have to do the right thing. Subscribe, and we big up yourself for that as well. Yeah. Each and everybody that subscribe to the channel, people, yeah, you understand? Respect and thank you. And that you tell them, say,
go over to Ringo Visions channel, do the same thing, because if not, your fingernails will eventually go rusty.
Yeah, it seems like the cactus is making your mouth water.
I don't know about that, it's making my eyes water.
Eyes water, yeah. Alright, cool. Woo! Boyo.
Right, in this satay soup noodles pot, I have got a tuna growing. Yeah, we have Cactus going. This is the Jamaican one as well. It's weird because I've had it indoors the whole time. It's never been outside, and it was under a lamp, and it's like grown these like thin, kind of like, yeah, weird, kind of supposed to grow like that, but it's, yeah, I don't know, but yeah, it was just under a lamp, but yeah, surprisingly, it's just grown and stayed alive, and it's good. Like nothing can't kill this, and the thing's strong.
We need to have smell vision on YouTube, you know, because people need to be smelling what's going on.
Listen, if you press the like button, subscribe to both our channels, when we get rich, we will create smell vision.
Fully.
We're going to create it. We're going to be the creators. Just for you lot. For the right thing.
What's this, garlic?
Yeah, because looking for some intense flavours. Because we want to try, not cover up the flavour of it, but we don't really want to be tasting single
But
Bible.
tell me, say, you take out Cactus out of Michelle and you want to cover him up now, you know. I cannot cover you and cover up Cactus. The man say, man, cover up Cactus. After we take out Cactus,
Blend.
Blend.
Maybe not disguise, but one blend it.
Infuse him.
Infuse him. That's the way
I
it must be,
infuse
right
the
there.
Cactus to the people with all of these goodness that M's preparing right now, people. So the thing called joke thing with them on out here, sir.
It's a serious thing.
M got in the kitchen, you know. Them man they cook on the car bonnet, you know.
Yeah. We cook anywhere.
Then they cook on the new car bonnet to your thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, people. If you ain't seen them episodes, there, go in there.
He cooks on the train.
Ah.
He cooks on the tram. So watch out, people. If you're going into East Croydon one morning, don't wear your best garms because you might buck up on RINGO cooking jerk chicken, and you get off smelling that jerk chicken
Quickly.
Goodbye, people.
She say I crush garlic.
Yeah. Save that time. Just how easy up there, you know. Hey, man, them. This is like me just say a while ago. Come and say it, and then I said, yo, let me say this on camera. I'm gonna try my very best to make this taste good. So right now I'm on it's not just a man thing. It's a taste test man thing. I'm just trying to get flavors in there, bro. That's what I'm saying. The garlic, the thyme. I'm gonna cut the Scotch bonnet. Yeah, I'm not gonna put loads in, but I'm gonna cut it just to get that flavor. And I'm gonna put some lemon in there as well. So I'm nearly ready, people. We soon see me start. I was talking about making smoothies over here, people, about granola and all this business.
Yeah.
Yeah, so look, these are all my vegetables and cactus. It's all going in at once, Ringo. One time.
It's a steam.
Bosh.
It's a steam.
Yeah, it's a steam, sir.
Ooh, you got some sizzling going in there. Yeah, so wait there once again. So what have we got in there? We've got ginger, some spring onion, and we've got some garlic.
Yeah.
You put the rest of the ingredients in.
Cactus going in.
First.
Yeah.
So you're gonna let the cactus first or everything?
No, man, everything in there one time.
Alright, so goodbye.
Yeah, cause nothing needs more extra time than anything, so. You understand?
Yeah, cover it up.
Now I'm gonna cover it on. Oh, boy, boy. Give that a little turn. Now, it looks like quite a good meal, to be fair.
Everyone, look at the colours that's going inside of here.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, man.
I'm not gonna tell no lies. Looking good though.
Think of Bible stir fry.
Because if M doesn't tell you and you just come and you see this, you be like, yeah, that's some nice steamed veg there. Now I want some of that.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you understand?
100%.
So right now, I'm just telling you people, yeah, just do the right thing, people, yeah.
Yeah.
Just go subscribe to the Don's channel right now. And after you do that,
oh, the Ringo.
yeah, and after you watch the episode there, people, yeah, I kindly ask if you go over to Ringo Vision and give me a subscribe, and you come back over here, because by then he would have dropped something else again.
Yeah.
We are work.
Yeah.
When I think I jerk, we are
can you smell
jerk.
it?
Yeah, a nice veg of guan, man, because Scotch bonnet pepper and everything are guan.
Alright.
I like the vibe. You know, say when cooking a guan, I miss the vibes up in the emda.
When you try to see, what on there? What on there? Chicken seasoning. Where's the all-purpose?
Up here, sir.
Ah.
So, emda, we got up here. We got some all-purpose.
International.
Well on the emda. We got some liquid seasoning. Do you need any of that?
Nah, I want this all-purpose seasoning right here.
What about some oregano?
No, I'm gonna need nothing else but this.
Alright. So see, let me see where you have to see. A good bag.
I do want to get a flavour in there.
Everyone.
Do you know what? Sometimes just a little
What's that? I want that.
little bit of chicken seasoning.
What do
You
you
know what I
mean?
mean? Yeah,
It's like a chicken stock, innit?
kind of.
Yeah, a good bag.
Yeah, 'cause chicken stock is chicken seasoning in a stock, innit?
In a stock.
Yeah.
I can see the colours of transformation inside of the pot. Let me have a little. Yeah, man, things are going on, you know?
It smells good. It looks good. The last thing is
I think you should cover it up and let it steam down.
Yep,
Yeah, a good vibe that.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
What? Hey people, every man in the room, I say, yo, it's so nice, isn't it, brother? Yo, the flavours are kicking in there, you know. People don't think it's a joke thing. It's a serious thing we're dealing with here.
Yeah, I'm not thinking that.
Cactus.
Cactus, I'm not thinking people.
Oi, people. You know what I'm saying? Season 8, everything will be great. You understand? If you've already subscribed, tell your brethren and your mate. Don't be late. 6 o'clock Thursday, 6 o'clock Sunday. And we might even dash an extra one in on Tuesdays. Why-oi. Why-oi, people! The Cook and Vibe Passion Fruit Hot Sauce is now available. Yes, $4.99. Get yours ASAP. Quick. You can tag us and you can scan the code on the back. It takes you straight through to the Cook and Vibe channel. Yes, people, get yours now. The Cook and Vibe Passion Fruit Hot Sauce. Why-oi. Why-oi, people, listen. It's the main event. Rick, it's the main event. Alright? Ringo, you know the tingo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cactus. Why-oi. I'm gonna be honest with you. Again, smells good, looks good. Yeah, what more can we do? It's gotta taste good. Do you know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do, people, now, is I've got 3 bowls here for the lucky, the culprits. Griffith's gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste it, obviously. Ringo's definitely gonna taste it, because, yeah, you know the tingo. And then someone else is gonna taste it, and we'll get a little verdict, and we'll see what's going on. But yeah, it's something different today, people. It's really good for you. Anything, look, one thing, when you bite that, nothing can be unhealthy. That me I tell you. Nothing's unhealthy in there. There's not no meat in it.
Man, you chat too much, man. See the food there?
Let's go.
I want to try it. I actually want to try this one.
Let's go. Here we go. Look at that, people.
I like it in the black plate as well. It looks amazing.
It does, yeah.
Makes everything stand out.
Look at that.
Ooh.
Cactus. Nothing in there. So we've got one more culprit. Who's the lucky person?
I like this, you know,
It's different.
yeah, big up yourself, Picard. This is
Respect.
something different. I got a cactus at home, so people, yeah. Yeah, so I'm ready. M.Dot's ready. Let's go.
Right, I'm gonna go straight.
3, 2, 1.
Really, really nice.
You didn't. Hold this.
Honestly.
Let me get a taste. Nice one.
Honestly, bro, you're gonna be surprised. It's got a taste. It's got a little aftertaste. Try and describe it for me, because I'm not sure. The man them are laughing. They think it's funny. It's not.
It's not funny.
It's not a game. Rick?
It's not a laughing matter.
It tastes
Let's see, Ringo. What you saying? Come on.
So you see the one you know?
Honestly.
People, the one you know? It's got a bit of spice to it. It's calm.
Telling ya.
So look, why didn't we make the yam to go with it as like, you know?
I just
But
weren't
you-
too sure, but
But guess what it's got? You see that sliminess
yeah.
that okra gives you?
Yes.
You're getting it.
Yeah.
You see a little bit of spice of the pepper?
Yeah.
What's so amazing about it, yeah? Let me taste a piece more of the cactus again and get it.
It's got like an aftertaste.
What on there, man?
Like a mad kind of aftertaste.
So, I'm not really good when it comes to describing and stuff, you know?
Yeah.
I'm like a dinosaur. I'm like out of here.
Yeah, more
But-
overs, yeah.
But guess what? It really tastes nice. The texture is like a velvety, silky taste
Like
in
a
your
okra.
mouth. Yeah, but even more than an okra.
Yeah.
It's proper silky all the way through. You know the okra's got like that rough coating on the outside or whatnot, yeah?
Rick's trying to hide. He's not in it anyway. You're not in it, Rick. You're safe.
But what I'm trying to say, people, yeah, are good stuff. This
It tastes good.
You see this, yeah? You can serve this up. I'm gonna tell you what you can serve this up with. You can serve this up with some rice, yeah? Nah, wait there.
We're going to go in the pot. Ringo's pot.
I'm looking for a piece of yam.
Piece of yam, we want to consume a piece of yam with it.
I'm trying this thing properly.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying this thing properly, mate.
I can still taste it's giving me a, like,
Because look,
mad flavour.
normally, yeah, look, when you're eating now, yeah, look, you see how me I cut up my piece of yam now, like it's a big piece of yam. And this is what you would have normally done. Like if it was a, you know, like if it was a okra steamed down.
Yeah.
Just by itself, okra and the same thing like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, there's a vibes. Or aki and salt, or okra and
That was
saltfish.
bad with Aki and the ram.
No, this was bad with saltfish.
Oh my days! Cactus and saltfish. It's good.
Rastafari, we're gone clear up
Jaja.
in our life, you know, Jaja know, so the one you're gone way up.
Yeah.
Not even NASA. Listen, not even NASA not go there yet.
Yeah.
Not a lie them I tell them.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just land.
It's mad.
No, we just land today. That when me say, we just land.
Just land. Mad thing.
I'm not even gonna lie, yeah. This with the yam, yeah, is a winner.
Yeah.
It's a meal now.
But you see him eating it.
It's
That's
a-
no joke. He's consuming it, so you know say it's no
You
joke.
know me, I'm a fussy man, I would have locked this off.
Yeah. Long time.
I would have said, that I'm not tasting it. I'm not trying it. But yeah, man, a good vibe.
Good vibes, people. You're done now. So I'm still eating it, waiting for it to taste bad, but it don't. Man, then, what's the verdict?
Yeah, bro. Good. Good.
That was ginger.
Good.
That was ginger, Ringo.
Yeah.
Good, innit, fam?
It's good, fam. Good.
And the brethren just say, it's giving off that type of vibe, like a something you will add with like some saltfish. I think the saltfish would really balance it out nicely.
Well, everyone, look here. I got a cactus at home in my fridge. Yeah, I go and put it to work.
Do something.
I go and put it to work.
So, I'm gonna save this episode until you do yours. So right now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to Ringo Vision to see what you done with the cactus.
Actual.
Why?
Alright, him just give me a task.
You get me?
The general just give me a task. So you see that?
Father Ringo.
Yeah, man.
But when you go over to his channel, just comment. Father Ringo.
Alright, people, look. Everything consumed. Everything consumed, so not no dash way.
Not no dash way. See you soon.
Now, this was a good one. Respect my G, yeah,
Come on.
Yeah, man, I enjoy this one here still. A proper
Good
vibe
vibes,
one.
Tommy. Good
And you know
vibes.
what it is as well, the cactus actually surprised me.
Really
Because
surprised me.
I was proper expecting that bitterness. But I guess when you boil things and cook things, yeah, it changes. When you add heat to things,
Flavour.
it changes the flavor. It changes its natural aroma that it gives off, and it just absorbs everything. The garlic, the ginger, the scallion, the thyme you
Even
use,
the dried
the
seasoning.
red pepper. But guess what? You see that Scotch bonnet heat that you use as well, and that little tiny little bit of sprinkling and seasoning.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I want to see. I'm interested in see what you're gonna do.
Okay.
People, big up section. See you next time. Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Woy people, welcome to the big up section. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Something a bit different for you, and you know what, it worked out. Yeah, better than I thought. You get me? Don't know. Make sure you go over to Father Ringo's channel, Ringo Vision, and subscribe quick and fast. Today's big up TKGG says, Woy, this was a good one, my G. Do more things with Norris. And that was regarding rafting with Norris in Ocho Rios, finding sea grapes and almonds and all type of things. If you ain't seen that episode, make sure you go and check it out. It's the previous episode to this one. You get me? Bathing in Jamaica and sea grapes. And also, big up Nicola44 says, yes, fun episode. So nice of Norris to share his foraging spots. You get me? Yeah, it was. Norris is a good brother. He took us to show us where the almonds were. He was finding sea moss in the water, sea grapes, bare things, you get me? Like I say, go check out the episode if you ain't seen it already. Season 8, everything will be great. You done the way the thing's set. I will see you next time.